Hey everyone. Okay, I am coming on here to talk about shampoo and conditioner. I know there's so many different things out there on the market and everybody uses so many different options out there. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about the shampoo and conditioner I use, which has made my hair beautiful over the past year and a half. I'm absolutely loving it. So I want to talk about what I use, which is the Norwex Shampoo and Conditioner line. And before that, I was using a leading direct sales brand, and it was really not helping my hair. And then one day with the Norwex Shampoo and Conditioner, totally changed that. So if you guys have any questions about shampoo and conditioner, just post them in the comments and I will answer them. But how important is it for you to use hair products with clean ingredients? So it's very, very important for us to put good things on our hair, because the important thing is cleaning our scalp and our skin, and that's what keeps our hair nice and beautiful and pretty and growing long and giving it good texture. So with the Norwex shampoo and conditioner, it actually works with all hair types, and it's even great on color treated hair or any type of hair, curly or dry or oily. It works great on all of those. And if you're using products that are out there that use buzzwords like organic or natural or clean, just take a look at the ingredients. A lot of people or a lot of companies brand or market their shampoo and conditioner to be healthy, and you need to read the ingredients to see what is in them, to see what kind of harmful chemicals they might be using. And you can go to ewg.org and look up a lot of different brands of detergents, shampoo and conditioner, and see what's in them that they're using. But what I would encourage you to look for is parabens, phthalates, SLS, SLES, and other ingredients that can be in the shampoo and conditioner that you're using, because those are things that you don't want to apply to your hair. So SLS is sodium lauryl sulfate, and sodium lauryl sulfates or laureth sulfates, are basically surfactants which help clean your hair and scalp, and it's also what gives you that foamy lathering sensation when you're washing your hair. So when you use the Norwex, you'll get a little bit of lather, but it's highly concentrated and you need lots of water to get that little bit of lather, but it doesn't have the filler in it to create a big lather. And the downside of using shampoo or conditioner with that in it is that it actually strips the scalp of natural oils and can cause irritation to the skin and even fade your hair color. So that's definitely not something that you want, especially if you spend a lot of money coloring your hair. Dimethicone is another one. This is what gives your hair that feel good, and especially in conditioners and in shampoos as well. It's a silicone based polymer, and so it's common in a lot of different skincare products as well as hair care products. And it basically gives you that feeling of smoothness, especially on certain conditioners where it's like, oh man, my hair feels really smooth, not quite slant, just really nice and smooth. But it's the silicone filler that's actually making you think that your hair hasn't been stripped of its natural balance. But it's not a real feel of soft and silky and smooth, which I get for this. So it's kind of like adding a wax or an arm roll to your hair or something like that. So looking for things without dimethicone in it is better. Norwex has all plant-derived ingredients in their shampoo and conditioner, and there's a lot of essential oils in them as well. And then you want to look for things like parabens. So these are words that end with paraben, like methylparaben, ethylparaben, butylparaben. Those are all different types of parabens. And these are preservatives that help prevent bacterial growth within your products. So you might have heard of them because you'll hear stuff about sulfates in beauty products and stuff like that. And that they've been shown to have estrogen-like effects. So our line doesn't create anything in that. So we don't have any of those items in our products. We don't have any parabens in the products. And then parfum or fragrance. So fragrance in hair care products is a big thing, and they often contain phthalates, which even if it doesn't say phthalates, you don't know when they use the word fragrance. It can mean any of thousands of different ingredients. And if you're not familiar with fragrance and what it could possibly contain, watch the movie Stink on Netflix, because that will tell you that there are so many bad things in fragrance, and when companies don't tell you what they're using, it can make you a little nervous. So phthalates are strong hormone disruptors, and high levels have also been linked to low sperm count in men, low fertility in women, and then brain development problems, diabetes, asthma, obesity, and these are all just from using phthalates, which tend to be in things that have a fragrance to them. That is not a natural or essential oil type fragrance. They can also cause a lot of allergies and asthma. So not only in your skin and hair care products and makeup, but also in things like candles and stuff like that, you'll find a lot of phthalates. So you don't usually see the word phthalates, but you can spot them, because likely if they use the word fragrance, then they have phthalates present. Norwex does not use any phthalates or anything like that in any of our lines. And like I said, it's shampoo and conditioner. We don't have any of that in there. The ingredients are listed on the back of all of our products. So I'll just hold that up there. I know it's backwards for you, but we've got lots of essential oils in there that help. Geranium oil is great for your skin and definitely helps if you have dry skin, but there's lemon and grapefruit and jasmine, and so it just has like a flowery light citrus scent in our shampoo and conditioner, and I absolutely love these. So if you have any questions about these, let me know. If you want to try them, let me know that as well. Because these are so highly concentrated, this bottle I usually only use about a dime to nickel size amount in my hair when I wash it, and I just get my hair really wet because it's super concentrated, like I said, and I probably go through one of these bottles every 4 months. And then the conditioner, I have to use a quarter-sized amount or a little bit more, and I just use it on the ends of my hair. And this, I probably go through one every 3 months or so. So I recommend them. They last for a long time. And